Hi everyone. Well, it's time for the Valentine's giveaway, so I'm just going to show you what we're giving away. And if you guys want to sign up to be in the giveaway, the routine is put 3 exclamation points before your comment, and that'll let me know that you guys want to be have your name put in the bowl for the giveaway. So I've got a bunch of cute little things to give away this year. First of all, my mom used to call me Ladybug when she was alive, and I found these little ladybug things at the store, and I thought they were just adorable. This is a little teddy bear or puppy dog or something that's dressed up like a little ladybug, and so this is going to be one of the things that we're going to be giving away. And sit that right over there. And then I found this little ladybug, and this is a little solar light thing that you can put outside, and I'm gonna see if I can get the light to come on. It's got a little switch on the bottom here, and it may be out of solar juice. I think it is. I'll have to juice it back up, but there's a little light on the inside that comes on when it's charged up. This is super cute little, oh, there comes the light. It's trying to come on. Well, I think it needs juice, y'all. Okay, so anyway, I'll get this charged up, but there's a light on the inside of it, and there's a little switch down here, and you can turn the light off and on. And I mean, is that not the cutest little thing? This is glass, and this is metal, and I just thought it was adorable, so I picked that up for the giveaway. And then I've also got these 2 pins. My friend Linda makes these pins, and I got a pink one from her just because it's girly and it's blingy, and you know, us girls and bling. And so I loved it so much that I ordered 2 to give away, and it's a cool little pin. She puts beads and stuff on it and all kinds of bling, and then it just turns at the bottom, the pin comes in and goes back in. So it's really nice. And I've got 1 black one and 1 red one that I'm going to be giving away, and the red one has got a red pickup truck on it that has hearts on it, and it says Dream. The truck's hauling hearts. And the black one is just black and white with crown and some sparkly bling bling on it. So I'm going to be giving those 2 away. And then I've got these adorable tumblers. These are brand new tumblers, and they are stainless steel on the inside. And each one of them comes with a stainless steel straw and a little brush to clean your straw after you use it. But I just thought these were so adorable. They've got the little gnomes on the back, and it's a red pickup truck, and it just said it says loads of love. So I've got 2 of these that I'm going to be giving away. And then I've got this one that is just gorgeous, and it's poppies and different flowers on it with butterflies and stuff, and I just love that one. And then we've got this one that's also gorgeous, and it is a lighthouse, and it's got different waves and all of that stuff, birds, just really cool scenery on that one. And then this one I really love too, and it's designed sideways, and it says faith, hope, and love. And it's got the blue with the white daisies and the little butterflies and the little snowflakes coming down across the top of it. And I just thought those were gorgeous. So these are the gifts that we're giving away on the Valentine's gift thing. And I want to tell you that each one of these, oh, and I almost forgot the candle, y'all. And I also got this candle that scent is called, I didn't even notice that when I was buying this. This scent on this candle is called Love Bug. And it's got like a sort of a strawberry vanilla smell to it, is the only way I know how to describe it. That's funny that that says Love Bug. I didn't even notice that. But the glass container's got little hearts over it, and it's a really nice candle. So we'll be giving this one away too. And so what I wanted to tell you was each one of these gifts that you win will also be coming with a $25 Amazon gift card. And I know it's a little late in the month, and so if you win and you want your gift card to be emailed to you, I can do that, or I can have the physical card mailed to you with your item. It's just, you let me know and we'll go from there. But like I said, 3 exclamation points in front of your name, just to let me know that you want to be entered. And I'm going to let this giveaway run until noon on Tuesday the 11th. and then I will pick the winners the afternoon of the 11th, and I will have the video up announcing who the winners are the evening of the 11th, which is Tuesday. So I know it's a short window, but I want to try to get as much of this out to y'all as I can, as soon as I can. And so that's what we're going to do this time. So I hope y'all are all having a beautiful weekend. And I hope when your football team plays that your team that you're rooting for wins. And I just hope everybody has a great weekend. So I will talk to you soon. Macy and I love you. I don't know if you can see her or not. I guess not. She's laying right here on the floor next to me. She's been a very good girl today. She's just laying down being still. So anyway, we love you guys. Never forget how much we love you. And we thank you for all your love and support. And I hope you guys will play. And good luck on the giveaway. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.